Sunny.
Sunny.
When there are very little or no clouds in the sky.
It's a perfect day for a picnic because it's sunny.
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 Cloudy.
Cloudy.
When the sky is covered with clouds.
The weather was cloudy, so we decided to stay indoors.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Wet weather, precipitation in the form of water droplets.
We brought umbrellas because it was a rainy day.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Cold weather with falling or lying snow, often associated with winter.
The landscape looked magical on the snowy morning.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Windy.
Windy.
Characterized by strong winds, can be cool or warm.
It was so windy that the trees were swaying.
Windy.
Windy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Thick mist or haze, visibility is often reduced.
The drive was slow because it was a foggy morning.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Violent weather, often includes lightning.
We stayed indoors because the weather was stormy.
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 Forecast.
Forecast.
Prediction of weather, often given by meteorologists.
The weather forecast predicts rain for the weekend.
Meteorologists.
Meteorologists.
A weather forecaster.
The meteorologist predicted a severe storm approaching the coast.
Meteorologists.
Meteorologists.
Temperature.
Temperature.
Measurement of heat or cold, measured in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius.
The temperature dropped significantly overnight.
Temperature.
Temperature.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
An arch of different colors seen in the sky when rain is falling and the sun is shining.
After the rain, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
A tropical storm with violent wind can cause severe damage.
The hurricane caused extensive damage to the coastal towns.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Drought.
Drought.
A shortage of water.
The severe drought led to water shortages in the region.
Drought.
Drought.
Flood.
Flood.
An overflow of a large amount of water often causes destruction.
The heavy rain caused a flood in the village.
Flood.
Flood.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
A severe snowstorm with strong winds leads to poor visibility.
The blizzard made it difficult to see more than a few feet ahead.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Shaking and vibration at the surface of the earth.
The earthquake caused buildings to shake and people to seek safety.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Idioms related to weather. Under the weather.
Under the weather.
Feeling ill or in low spirits.
I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home from work.
Break the ice.
Break the ice.
To initiate a conversation or create a more friendly environment.
To break the ice at the meeting, she started with a funny story.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Raining very heavily.
You'll need an umbrella, it's raining cats and dogs out there.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every bad situation has some positive aspect to it.
I lost my job, but I found a better one soon after. Every cloud has a silver lining.
A storm in a teacup.
A storm in a teacup.
A lot of unnecessary anger and worry about a matter that is not important.
They were arguing about who should wash the dishes. It was just a storm in a teacup.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language lessons.